Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you yet another description. Where today we're looking at original shreddies. Alright, we were born shredded. Okay, so alright, you know what I'm like. I'll leave you with information on the back. Just pause the video and see if this suits you guys or it's no good or whatever. I know these cereals sometimes have a lot of sugar in them, not great for diets. Anyway, this is the 415 gram box, original shreddies, unlocking morning energy. Let's get on with unboxing it. So, did you ever see that advert where the grannies were knitting these? And they all look like yeah. Now there's two types of these. One is the one with the sugar on, but as I haven't got any sugar, well, I have got sugar. It's going to be brown sugar, so I'm going to have to get some more white sugar. Actually, I'll just cut some of that on for now. Right. I like the frosted shreddies actually better, but that's a quick close-up, guys, of what they look like. I'm going to pan round to me again. Tony, it's your face again. I'm sick. I like these, but my favourite by a mile is shredded wheat every time. They're okay. They remind me of bits of cardboard, you know. I'm going to get some hate for that, aren't I? Yeah, I'm definitely going to get hate for that. What do you mean, Tony? It's been around for years, you cheeky son. Well, anyway. Shreddies, guys. Very nice. But would I recommend it? No, not these ones, the original, but I would recommend the frosted ones because they are really nice. But thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice evening, day, morning, whatever time you're watching this video in, and you must subscribe. I need to get my subs up to 3,000. So thank you. Catch you later. Bye for now.